The Joint Manufacturing and Assembly Facility, also commonly called JMAF, is continuing construction behind me. So it's something we're very excited about. It's a state-of-the-art facility. It's going to have a lot of opportunities for improving the effectiveness and the efficiency of our workforce. Some of the changes that will be involved in the North Yard associated with this continued expansion of JMAF is the relocation within the North Yard of about 270 parking spots. There'll be no decrease in parking, but they will be relocated to the North Yard to make room for these facility additions. The Joint Manufacturing and Assembly Facility is a very important facility for Newport News for our business future, to support job sustainment, and most importantly, the potential for job growth. Also very important, it continues the initiatives we've had underway for getting more work indoors to improve the quality of life for our shipbuilders.